Hi everyone, I am making a video today to teach you how to use Remind101, which is a good texting software so you can text your students, and I find it valuable, and let me show you how to use it. First, you want to go to Remind101.com, and you are going to click the button that says Start Communicating with Your Class. You're going to select your name, you're going to select an email, you're going to do a password, you're going to click sign up, and you will be ready to go. You can create, let me just show you what mine looks like. Here is mine, and just a second. Here you can see that I have a psychology club Remind 101. I have a psychology sociology Remind 101. And I have a world history 2 Remind 101. And you can, I don't have any students in the classes right now because they've been purged because it's the end of the school year. Another good thing about Remind 101 is you can restart it each year. It's very easy to use. These are some messages that I sent. I sent something like, "Dear students and parents, please take a moment to fill out a survey." You can add in hyperlinks. You can do all kinds of neat things. Let me show you Psychology Club. Something cool about this is here is Adam Thomas. All I can see about Adam Thomas is his name. I do not know his cell phone number. I do not know anything else about him. So this is a good way where you can communicate with your students without really knowing too much information so it doesn't get at all creepy or weird. I really think you should try using Remind 101. It's a great way to get in contact with students and their parents. And I hope you found this video valuable. Thank you for watching.